In this video, I will show you how to install PowerPoint on a MacBook. If you like this video, feel free to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. To install the PowerPoint software on your device, whether it's a computer, Mac, PC, etc. It always works the same way. You should know that you will need to subscribe to the Microsoft 365 subscription. It's Microsoft's premium subscription to have all its software unlimited and be able to install them on your device. You can see the prices displayed right here. You can see it can be quite expensive depending on the person, and that's why I'm going to share with you the trick that I use, and that allows me to save on these Microsoft 365 subscriptions. It's by going through the GamesGo platform. It's a subscription sharing platform where multiple users around the world can share family subscriptions among themselves, and thus save on the subscription price. Here you have the Microsoft Office 365 subscription, which includes the PowerPoint software and will allow you to have it for only $3.67 per month. It's really a great deal. It's half price. You can find the link to the GamesGo platform directly below the video, either in the description or in the comment under the video. You just need to click on the link and you will be automatically redirected to GamesGo. You can then log in at the top right with your email address. It only takes a minute. Then on the home page, you can scroll down and you will find the Office 365 option. You will simply need to click on Join Now. You can choose the subscription period ranging from 3 months to 6 months. If you choose, for instance, such as 6 months, you will get an additional discount on the price, and you can even add, if you wish, a gummy promo code like this to get an extra discount indeed. You see that it goes down to $3.27 per month, and then you just need to click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. The platform is 100% secure. The payment must be completed. You will automatically receive your credentials in your tab, Subscription on GamesGo. Then you just need to go to the official Microsoft 365 website, which is office.com like this. Once on the site, you will need to log in with the credentials you received from GamesGo. And you will see the option on the homepage to install the applications, including the PowerPoint application. You just need to click on it, and then you will have to follow the installation process, which usually takes a few minutes. And then you will have the PowerPoint software installed on your device with all the features unlocked.